Hi everyone, this is Anil. Welcome to part 2 video of previous and current object in different business rules. So in the previous video, we have seen that on location table, when we use the previous and current objects in after business rule, it was not capturing the changes to the field. It was showing both previous and current as the same value. And in this video, we'll see the root cause for that and why is that happening. So if you see here, this is the business rule that we found having that issue, right? Where we're trying to log the change, like the previous name, the current name, but we observed that it is always printing the same value for both previous and current. So I did some research and I looked at the support articles and I found that the order of the business rule has to be less than 100 for it to pick up. And this is happening on location table because on account it was perfectly fine with order as 100. But for some reason on location table for the previous and current to work, we have to have the order as less than 100. So I made it as 90 now. And now when I try to change the, let's say the location name and save it, and if I refresh it, the log should now print, the change, like location after BR, previous value, and new value, right? And I also am able to see the debug, like list of fields which got changed as this one. And I need to give credit to one of the site which I have referred. So let me post that link as well here. So I also refer to ServiceNow Guru site to get a script that helps us identify like which fields got changed. So this section of the code I have referred to this site and then I have pasted that here. So which helped me identify like which field got changed. So in this case it is name, so it was able to nicely print the column name here. So thanks to ServiceNow Guru for that. And the support article which I have referred also, let me open that. So here is a support article where it was mentioned that if the order is the issue, right? So yeah, that is also one more reference for this video. So thank you for watching. This is Anil.